Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sell your Dogs token or your Dogs coin on Bitget. You'll learn how to sell your Dogs token and cash out on Bybit into your bank account. Guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now I believe by now you must have claimed your Dogs coin on Telegram, but that's not the major thing. The main thing is knowing how to actually sell your token so that you can be able to withdraw it, so that you can be able to withdraw the money. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sell your Dogs token or your Dogs coin so that you can be able to convert it to USDT and then probably withdraw it into your local bank account. So guys, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So guys, on the listing day, when Dogs coin is going to be distributed to everyone who actually mined Dogs coin on their Telegram app, if you use Bitget to actually claim and withdraw your Dogs coin on your Telegram app, then you will receive Dogs coin. You will receive the airdrop in your Bitget account. So guys, let me show you guys where you're going to find it. So guys, what you have to do is to tap on where you can see assets. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it. So guys, after you tap on assets, the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see spot. You can see it there at the top, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now this is where you're going to find your Dogs coin, your Dogs token when it's being distributed to everyone using Bitget. This is where you're going to find it. But in case you can't see it, what you have to do is to search it out. And you can actually search it out by tapping on the search icon on the right hand side. You can see it there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to type in Dogs. So let me type it in, DOGS. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see my search result right there. You can see it there. You can see the Dogs logo. You can see the name Dogs. So guys, now you can see that I have no Dogs right there. You can see the amount I have is 0.00. That's because the distribution has not been done. The Dogs token or the Dogs coin has not been distributed yet. That's why you can see that my amount, the amount of Dogs that I have is 0.0. Once it's being distributed, you're going to see the amount there being displayed. So guys, now what you have to do next now is to tap on it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, once you tap on Dogs, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the amount of Dogs that you actually hold, that you have. So guys, now what you have to do next now in order to sell your Dogs, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see trade. You can see there, once you tap on trade, then you're going to go to where you're going to sell it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see where it has brought us. So guys, now this is the place where we are going to actually sell our Dogs token, our Dogs coin. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to actually choose the pair. You can see the pair right there. The pair there at the top is BTC/USDT. That means Bitcoin/USDT. What you have to change it to is Dogs/USDT. As you can see there, it is BTC. That's not what we want to trade. What we want to trade is Dogs. So guys, now for you to change it, you have to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the list of pairs that are here. You can see there are so many pairs. You can see the first one is BTC/USDT. The second one is ETH/USDT. That means Ethereum/USDT. The one we want to go for is Dogs. So guys, now what you have to do is to look for it. But in case you can't find it, what you have to do is to tap on the search icon to search for it. So guys, let me tap on search at the top. You can see the icon there. Then what you have to do now is to type in Dogs. Let me type it, DOGS. So guys, now you can see it is not found. It is not found here because it has not yet been distributed. Dogs has not yet been distributed to everyone. That's why you can actually find Dogs here. If Dogs has been distributed, you will actually find it here when you search for it. We can't find the Dogs token right here because the Dogs token has not been listed in the spot trading pair. So you can't trade Dogs right now. That's why we can't find it right now. So until the Dogs token is listed and distributed, we cannot trade it on the spot trading platform. But guys, I'm going to do something. Let me use an example. Let me just tap search for Doge. So guys, now you can see Doge is actually there. You can see what's written there, Doge/USDT. So guys, I'm going to be using this now as an example just for illustration's sake because Dogs has not yet been distributed. If Dogs token has been distributed, once you search for Dogs, you're going to see Dogs/USDT. But since we searched for Dogs and we couldn't find it here because it has not yet been distributed, let's just use this one right here as an example. You can see what's written there, Doge/USDT. It is supposed to be Dogs/USDT, but Dogs is not here, so let's just use this one as an example. We are assuming this is Dogs/USDT. We are assuming this to be a Dogs token just for illustration's sake. So guys, can see what's written there, Doge slash USDT. It is supposed to be dogs slash USDT, but let's just use this as an example since it's a bit similar to dogs. So guys, now what you have to do now, once you search for dogs, what you have to do is to tap on it. You can tap on it right away. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the pair has changed. What used to be there was BTC slash USDT, but what is there now is Doge slash USDT. Remember, this is supposed to be dogs slash USDT, but we're using this Doge slash USDT just for illustration purpose. So guys, now after you've been able now to select the dogs slash USDT pair, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see sell. You can see there sell, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now after that, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see limit order. You can see it there. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now what you have to do here now is to tap on market. Once you select market, you'll be able to sell dogs at the current price, at the current market price. So guys, let me tap on market right away. So guys, now you can see market has been selected. That means we are going to be selling our dogs token at the current market price. If you leave it at limit, that means you have to set the amount that you want to sell your dogs coin. And when you set your price under the limit order, you will not be able to sell your dogs coin until it gets to that price that you have set. That's why we are actually leaving it on market, because when the dogs coin is going to be distributed and everyone is actually buying and selling this dogs coin, the market price at that time will be high. The current market price will be high. So it is advisable to sell your dogs token on the day of the listing, on the day it is distributed, because many persons will be on the market buying and selling. That will make the price to be high, which will mean that you make huge profit, you make a higher profit. So guys, after you select market, you're going to see the price of the dogs at that moment. As you can see here, the price of this Doge, you can see the price there being encircled. So guys, just take note of that. That's where you're going to see the price of the dogs at that moment, the current market price. You're going to see it right there. So guys, now after you've seen that, what you have to do now is to impute the amount of dogs that you actually want to sell at that moment. So guys, you can decide to put any amount. What you have to do now is to tap on where it is written quantity. You can see it there. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys, can go ahead now to impute the amount of dogs that you want to sell. You can see here I'm imputing it. You can see. So what you have to do is to impute it, and also guys can actually use this slider right there. You can see where the arrow is pointing. You can use the slider to impute the quantity that you want to sell. You can see, you can decide to impute 25% of your dogs coin. You can decide to use 50% of your dogs coin. You can decide to impute 70% of your dogs coin. You can decide to impute 100%. That means the maximum amount of dogs token that you have in your account. So guys, you can decide to sell any percentage that you want. You can decide to sell all of them. That means 100%. You can decide to sell 50%. That means half of your dogs coin. So whichever one you want, then you're good to go. So guys, after you've selected the quantity, the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see sell Doge. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it, though it's supposed to be sell dogs if it was dogs that I selected. But remember, I said we are using this Doge as an example just for illustration's sake. So guys, once you tap on sell, your dogs will be automatically sold instantly at that moment, immediately. The amount of dogs that you actually imputed will be sold into the market at the current price, because you've actually placed it on the market. Once you just tap on sell, it will be sold instantly. So guys, once it's being sold, you're going to be receiving USDT. So guys, let me show you guys where you're going to find it. What you have to do is to tap on where you can see assets. So guys, let me tap on it right away. Then you tap on spots. You can see there at the top. So let me tap on it. So guys, now this is where you're going to find your USDT. Remember, we actually sold our dogs coin to get USDT. So guys, now this is where you're going to find it. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. In case you can't find it, what you have to do is to use the search icon at the right hand side. You can see there. Let me tap on it. Then you search for USDT. So let me type it in. Let me type it USDT. Then you tap on search. So guys, now you can see the USDT right there. So once you've sold your dogs coin, you will find the equivalent here in USDT. You'll find the amount of USDT for which you sold your dogs coin. As you can see here, I didn't sell any Doge coin. I didn't sell any dogs coin. That's why you can actually see that my USDT is 0. I have no USDT. But once you've sold your dogs coin, you will see that your USDT will increase. The amount with which you sold the dogs coin will be found here. Let me say you sold the dogs coin for 100 USDT. You're going to find 100 USDT right here. So guys, let me go back. Then let me tap on spots. So guys, now this is the most important part that you have to do. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is actually to do your P2P. That means peer-to-peer trading, which involves buying and selling your crypto directly between two users without going through any third-party intermediary. So guys, the P2P feature will enable you to trade with other Bitget users. You'll be able to sell your USDT, you'll be able to decide the payment method and also the time of payment. You'll be able to actually sell your USDT and receive your local currency into your bank account. So guys, that's why you actually need to use P2P. So guys, in my next video, most likely I'm going to be making a video on how you can actually use P2P on Bitget so that you can be able to sell your USDT to someone else in order to receive your fiat local currency into your local bank account. So guys, if you want me to make that video tutorial on P2P, on how you can actually use P2P on Bitget, what you have to do is just to leave a comment in the comment section saying do a video for us on P2P, then I'll be able to do that. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long, but I've been able now to show you guys the basic thing, the fundamental thing, the most important thing that you need to do, which is actually how to sell your Dogs token to USDT in order to actually withdraw. So guys, once you've been able now to sell your Dogs token and convert it to USDT, then you're on the safe side, because USDT is a stable coin that represents the dollar in the cryptocurrency market. It has the same value as dollars, as US dollar. USDT stands for Theta USD, a type of cryptocurrency token pegged to the value of the United States dollar. It is a stable coin designed to maintain a 1-to-1 ratio with the US dollar. So guys, once you've been able now to sell and convert your Dogs token or your Dogs coin into USDT, then you're on the safe side, because USDT does not fluctuate. If the cryptocurrency market is changing, USDT does not change, the value remains the same. But if you leave it at the Dogs coin, the value might depreciate, it might reduce. So guys, that's what you have to know. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys the basics. You can do well to actually share this to your friends so that they can be able to watch this and know what to do and what to expect when the listing day comes. So guys, I did this video right now so that you can prepare ahead of time to know what to do, so that you don't get confused or frustrated when the time comes to actually sell or make profit from your airdrop. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.